Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you the easiest 3-ingredient Nutella dessert you're not gonna want to share with anyone. So make sure you make enough just for yourself. All you're gonna need is whipped cream. I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I like to add the sugar once I beat this up about halfway. You could do this with a stand mixer, but I think doing it with the electric hand mixer, it's a little workout. And I like to roll sideways my bowl so it twists around. That way it doesn't splashes as much as if I did it like this with hand. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. It's gonna melt really easy, but you also want to make sure that it's sweet enough. So just take a little bit. When it's done, it is sweet. And to get rid of the extra on my whiskers, I just hold it above and let it spin for a few seconds. I'm gonna put half of it aside because I'm making 2 different recipes for you guys. So here is half. This is 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. I use a long, tall glass to help me pipe it up. So I just put the piping bag in. This way it stands, and then I can put my whipping cream inside. So much easy. Just push it down a little bit. I always like to use silicone spatula because it can really clean up the bowl. All right, I tighten up the top. I'm gonna put that aside now. Don't worry about the air on the top. It's okay. Okay, a bowl and Nutella. Now, Nutella is not very runny, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 big spoons of Nutella in the bowl, and I'm gonna microwave this for 10 seconds. You don't want it to be hot. You don't want this to be a fudge because it will melt the whipped cream. So you just want this to be slightly warmer and easier to mix. I'm using these short champagne-like dessert glasses, which is, I think, so cute. I got these at Costco. They actually had dessert already in it, but I kept the glass because it's such a good way to reuse. So I'm gonna pipe this inside. And the reason why we want the Nutella to be a little runny is so that when I put this on top of the cold whipped cream, it can melt a little bit and fill up all the space. So we're gonna layer these. You see how it's slightly runny, but make sure it's not warm. All right, come on. Maybe it needs a little help. No little help. It's okay. Your hands are clean. And I'm gonna shake this back and forth, or whatever dessert servings you use. That way the Nutella will flatten out without you having to use any utensils and then get the glass messy. So you see, you just shake a little bit. All right, 3rd layer, whipped cream again, just going around the edge first, and then the mid part, and then just go up and up and up and up. And I do want to leave a little bit of space on the top because I'm gonna put another layer of delicious Nutella, but my Nutella got a little bit cold, so I had to pop it back into the microwave and make it a little bit runny again. All right, I think that's a little bit more. Let's see. Just help this getting on the side. Does need a little bit more. Now, do mind that if you put this in the fridge right now, the Nutella is gonna get cold and hard. So before eating this, you either want to eat this right now or take it out of the fridge a couple minutes before. Otherwise, it's gonna be cold and it's gonna be just like a big chunk of chocolate instead of mixing all with the whipped cream. Don't forget to take a picture. That's very important. You want to show off to your friends what you made. So delicious, so quick. I don't know if it's low in calorie, probably not, but it is so good. It is definitely a cheat meal. Guilty pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. If you make this, let me know, and enjoy.